Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on Redux. Use const for action types. So we learned before that you create an action creator, and then this is the action with the type here. So we see how this is a string, and we use this again for the case. What we can do is that we can create a const variable for that, same exact name to the string value. So const login, and we set it equal to login like that. And we do the same for logout. Const logout equals logout. And we just replace the string with this variable. So we replace it in the reducer and also in the action here. And then we do it the same for the logout. So this might seem like an extra step and extra work, but it helps with the idea that these action types are read-only. You don't want to change it, and it helps to make sure that they are aligned and you're not having a typo in it as well. And it's just a general practice that you do when using Redux. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.